Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rishi here from the Drawing Passion channel, and in today's video I will be drawing T-800 Endoskeleton from, everyone knows this movie called Terminator. The Judgment Day and the fall of something. I don't remember all the movies. They were really complex, but I thought, why don't I create it? And it's also really popular. And also this drawing is really simple, so I thought I can create it. And I took help from Draw It 2 tutorial of the T-800 endoskeleton. You can check his link in description. And how are you guys? I've been missing you for a long time, and especially I hope you all are safe because of the current situation. I didn't want to mention it, but yeah, so stay safe and do what your government says of your country. I don't know whichever country you're from. So yeah, let's leave that topic aside. I don't want to be negative. Let's follow the positive vibes. Okay, yeah, so here I'm going currently with the expressions. It's gonna be like, it should be wicked kind of expressions. So I'm trying to give that in the eyes and the smile, that it should look wicked. So hope you guys enjoy the hyperlapse video, and make sure to hit a like, click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. And yeah, if you like the drawing or if you have any recommendation, comment down below in the comment section. I will be reading all your comments and replying. If I don't receive any comments regarding that, I'll be drawing Deadpool in the next video. See you guys. Bye. Let's drop the music here.
Got some full rack. drip, drip, diamonds always hit, bitch. Roll around the town with your ex, bitch. And I'm so locked into your Netflix. Now she blow my phone with that ring, ring. Now she wanna go up in my tank, tank.
Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you ask it. Don't gotta sell it, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass if she isn't gorgeous? Live my life.